It is important.
कर रे केले रे. ईशान
Because it is a court order, everybody has to follow it. But I think I can't blame the High Court or the courts for that matter. There is something lacking in the advocates who represent the people. It has not been put properly. I आज म्हाका येवन ते उपरांत दाखयला सगळी परमिशन आसा. Navy itself gave them permission. The NOC from Navy. What Navy now says, no, we cannot give 3 meters. That we had given in the past. Now it should be only 1.5 meter. Can a person live with a height of 1.5 meter? They are animals going to be put in a zoo. This is ridiculous on the part of the Navy. Navy, which was so cooperative today, has become totally negative. They should rethink what is the association with the civil society. I also had excellent relations with them. But I am deeply pained by what is happening to people who already they had themselves given the NOC. हे भाशेन तरी मोडपा लागले जाल्यार सगळीं घरां मोडपा वयतलीं. आतां हिंगा बिल्डींग आहा ती पळय कितली हायट आहा ही पयलीं दिल्ली न्हू नेवीन. आतां सायडीचे प्लॉट 1+1 दिना ते म्हणटात ते आदले दिल्ले. अशें आर्बिट्रेरीनेस ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ नेवी वील नॉट डू. I want Navy to wake up and please tell the people, are you interested in demolishing all houses of civilian people, even those who got permission? Just because advocate was failed to represent the case adequately well in the High Court does not mean Navy should come down so heavily. They have to have a rethink. They had promised a resurvey of the entire thing. Navy has to do a resurvey everywhere. Cannot punish the people like this. Development is a continuous process. डबुलीम फर्स्ट म्हणटा कित्याक इतली व्हडल्या प्रमाणान हांगा कामां जाता म्हणून. तुमी फाटल्या दिसांनी रस्त्याची कामां पळयलीं, फाटल्या दिसांनी हॉटमिक्स कामां पळयलीं, फाटल्या दिसांनी तुमी जॉगर्स पार्क विस्तार जाला तेजे पळयले, तेजे आदीं वाव प्लांट पळयले आनी आतां हिंगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचे फाटल्या दिसांनी तुमी ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पळयले. आतांय तुमी एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आतां आमी इनॉग्रेट करतले. हांगा आमी स्ट्रीट लायट केला. More than 40 new street lights fixtures have been fixed. 15 new poles also have been erected wherever there was darkness. आता हांव येता आसतना हांवें मुद्दम काडोक जातकूच येयला पळोवपाक. Everything was pitch dark. People walk here. हांवें तांकां उतर दिल्लें that I will see that the entire thing is lit well. Today it is looking like daytime and it is a good facility for the people. They can easily walk, take their evening walk as well as see which you cannot do in darkness. So we basically give light everywhere.
Yes, sir. There are some.
That is a different issue altogether. Reassessment has to be done, whether it is in the municipalities or in the panchayats. People have to pay the tax. I have noticed in some areas people don't want to pay the tax. Because they don't want to pay the tax, I would say one additional thing that as a convenience was given to the people to register their houses, so we know how many houses are there. There are some people who have built illegally who don't want to register even with their EHN number because they don't want to pay the panchayat, and they are having 4,455 houses, especially in Bogmalo. These people have to be taken to task. I am going to tell the deputy collector to take special action against them. They don't want to even pay the panchayats. How will the panchayats survive? They don't want to. Now the rules say when they rent out a place, one rent should go to the panchayat. Most panchayats are doing it. Even that they don't want to pay. Forget not paying that. They don't want to register under EHN. Means they want to continue living illegally because they have kept tenants illegally. And today so many crimes are taking place. You should register every tenant that you keep with the police. Are they doing it? They are not doing it. So we will be scrutinizing all this and taking relevant action.
पण पहिला की सरांनी इनॉग्रेट केल्लेले हांगा 15 नंबर्स पोल्स तशेंच आनीक 4 कडेन अशें इनॉग्रेशन जावपाचें सो ही बारीक बारीक कामां आमचे फूल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी सगळ्या कडेन जायत आसा सो आतां जशें म्हटलें की डिमांड आसच्या पयलींच सगळे सर्वे करून पयलींच सगळे रेडी आसता सराचे बिकॉज तेजें तशें विजन आसा मोविन सराचें दॅट लोकां खातीरूच कितें करपाचें डेवलपमेंट.
So now we are going for 3-4 inauguration in that three places street light this one inauguration. Presently what we are standing here at Jairam Nagar. Here we have erected new RCC pole 15 numbers and remaining whatever the fixtures are not there. But totality it came 40 fixtures, 40 new LED 30 watts fixtures we have fixed and the total cost is around 6.67 lakhs. So like that one new transformer center also we are inaugurating now 100 kV. Here Balaji Society, Dabolim. There also that cost is somewhere around 8,40,000. So after that we are going to Kamla Solitude. There we erected some 10 poles, 10 RCC poles, and there we are fixed 26 new LED fixtures. So whatever from the electric department, the development has to be done by the health of the Honorable Minister.
So what will the cost, total cost?
Total cost is around 22 lakhs 10,530. Today's.
खऱ्यांनीच खूप उजेड झालं आणि लाईट घालून खूप बरे आले आणि मातशी थोडी आता सुदारणा जायत आसा रोड खणटात रोड एक बरो जाल्लो पण आता ते खणून मागीर आता परत मातशें हें जालां ते एकदां एक्चुली एक टायम प्लॅनिंग करून हें केल्लें बरें जाता आसलें बट एनीवे इट इज फॉर डेवलपमेंट सो इट इज गूड अँड आनी थोड्या वेळान दिसांनी मे बी हांगा बरें सगळें उदक येवपाचें एक उरलां हांगा आनी गॅस आनी एक पॉयंट म्हाका जस्ट एक म्हणपाक जाय आसलें दीस इज द ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू से दॅट एक थंय भायर ती सिग्नल आसा ती मातशी प्रॉपर मार्कींग करून इफ दॅट कॅन बी सॉर्टेड आउट आय वूड से दॅट वील बी रियली ग्रेट हेल्प बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर क्रॉसींग ऑन द रेड सिग्नल ते प्रॉपर मार्कींग करून ते मातशी एक पॉयंट मातसो सॉर्ट आउट करपा जाय बट अदरवायज एवरीथींग हियर इज रियली व्हेरी गुड. Lights are on now and it is really very good. So thank you sir.
रहिवासी आहे आणि इथे आता जे 15 स्ट्रीट लाईट्स ते सरांनी टाकलेत सरांच्यामुळे झालेलं आहे. इथे पूर्ण हे जयराम नगर आता नवीन डेव्हलप होतं आहे पण आत्तापर्यंत इथं काही फॅसिलिटी नव्हत्या पण मागच्या इलेक्शन कॅम्पेनला जसं सरांनी आम्हाला सांगितलं की आम्ही सरांना केली डिमांड त्यांनी बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी ह्या आता सगळ्या त्या सरांच्यामुळे होत आहेत. रस्ते झाले, स्ट्रीट लाईट झाले, पाण्याची पाईपलाईन येते आणि सर हे एक विजनरी लीडर आहे त्यामुळे त्यांना सांगायच्या आधीच त्यांच्या डोक्यात प्लॅन असतं आणि त्याच्यामुळे हे डेव्हलपमेंट हे खूप फास्ट सरांच्यामुळे होते आणि त्याबद्दल मी सरांचा खूप खूप आभारी आहे.
पयले सुवातेर आमच्या पंचायती मंत्रीक हांव हांगासर धन्यवाद दिता की आयज जो उजवाड हांगासर जो तुमी पळयतात आयज येता आसतना कितलो काळोख आशिल्लो आयज जो उजवाड आहा हे उजवाडाची जी पावलां आसा ती एवरी टायम सर घेतच आसता. आतांच म्हाका एक पत्रकार भावान विचारलें की हो कितलो लॉंग पेंडींग डिमांड आसलेलो. हांव ताका एक सांगूंक सोदता की हांगासर डिमांड जावच्या पयलींच सगळें पुरयता जाता अशें आमचे विजनरी लिडर आसा गोंय सर. हांगासर डिमांडाचें खंय क्वेश्चनूच उरना. सो डिमांड करच्या पयलींच हांगासर सर्वे करून जे आमी लोकल रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह जेन्ना सराच्या आदारान आमी जे जिखून आयले हांगासर हे आमच्या सर्वेच्या प्रमाणे जे आमी हांगासर सराक सांगता उतर घालता त्या प्रमाणे हांगासर डेव्हलपमेंट परते पयलींच जायत आसता लोकांची रिक्वायरमेंट येवच्या पयलीं ही अशीच उदरगताची पावलां आमची पूर्ण वाठारान पंचायत ज्युरिस्डिक्शनान जायत रावतली आणि एका लागून सराक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. थँक्यू वेरी मच.